Edgeware's philosophy of designing a battery storage cabinet. Well, when we say cabinet, actually in our mind there's two types of devices. One is the cabinet, okay, solar battery cabinet. With this kind of battery cabinet, we don't like lead acid battery, because lead acid battery probably price is cheaper. But because it will make up some problem, because lead acid battery, the temperature range is like 25 degrees centigrade. I totally don't agree that the way that people use in the market, they just make a cabinet and put the lead acid battery in. Well, that way it works, but you never consider the future operation cost, because the battery will die before its lifetime and you have to change it. That has a cost, especially when you're building a site in a rural area. So our way of thinking for the battery storage cabinet, normally we use lead acid battery. We can make the battery cabinet based on your need. Because case by case, your battery capacity requirement is different. For example, UPS scenario, you need battery storage cabinets only like maybe 50 Ah, 48 volts, something. But for solar scenario, you need something bigger. Also, you have different kind of scenario like cameras. Sometimes you need IoT. It's quite different. So you cannot have a one product that comply everything. Well, compare with the market. In the market, most of the provider, what they do is just make a standard cabinet, a very cheap standard cabinet, and put the battery in. That's not the way to do the job, So talk to us, then we can help you to design case by case. Another way, let's say the battery storage cabinet, actually it's an enclosure, is our aluminum power enclosure that we put a battery inside and totally heat dissipation, totally natural heat dissipation without the fan system. This kind of system we call Edge-span series. So well, this is pretty much our design philosophy. Please let us know that we can help you to customize this kind of requirement case by case. Thank you.